AI is changing everything, and right now, people are making money using AI from their laptops. But here's the problem. Many of these AI businesses are built on deception, shortcuts, and even haram methods. So the real question is, can you start AI freelancing as a beginner, the halal way? The answer is yes, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start AI freelancing from scratch, even if you have zero experience. No riba, no scams, no fake promises. And remember this clearly. You can earn serious money online without compromising your deen. Let's begin. What is AI freelancing? AI freelancing simply means using AI tools to provide services to clients online. Instead of doing everything manually, you use AI to work faster and smarter. Examples include AI-assisted writing, script writing, social media content creation, video editing with AI tools, design with AI, website creation. You are still providing a service. AI is just helping you. Is AI freelancing halal? Let's address this clearly. AI freelancing is halal when done correctly because no interest involved. You provide real value, clear agreement between client and worker, transparent payment, honest delivery of work. This follows the principles of Islamic finance, value exchange through lawful effort. But it becomes haram if you deceive clients, copy or steal content, use AI for scams, deliver low-quality fake work. So the rule is simple. Use AI as a tool, not as a shortcut for deception. Step 1. Choose one AI service. As a beginner, don't try everything. Pick one service. Here are the best beginner-friendly AI freelance services. 1. AI script writing. Write YouTube scripts using AI. 2. AI blog writing. Create articles for websites. 3. Social media content creation. Help businesses post content. 4. AI video editing. Use tools like CapCut and AI features. 5. AI design services. Create thumbnails, posts, and branding. All of these are halal because real service is provided, no riba involved, clear client agreement, honest work exchange. Step 2. Learn the basics. 3 to 7 days. You don't need months to start. Spend a few days learning how the AI tool works, how to write prompts, how to edit the output, how to improve results. Free tutorials on YouTube are enough. Your goal is simple. Be good enough to deliver value. Step 3. Practice and build a portfolio. Before you charge money, build proof. You can create 3 to 5 sample projects, write sample scripts, design sample posts, edit sample videos, upload them online. This becomes your portfolio. Why is this important? Because clients trust results, not promises. Step 4. Find your first client. Now it's time to make money. Go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, LinkedIn, Twitter/X. Create a simple offer, AI-assisted YouTube script writing, or social media content using AI tools. Start with beginner pricing. Focus on getting your first 3 to 5 clients. Why is this halal? Because clear service agreement, payment for lawful work, transparent value exchange, no deception. This is one of the easiest remote Muslim jobs to start today. Step 5. Deliver high-quality work. This is where most beginners fail. They rely too much on AI. They copy and paste. That is wrong. Instead, edit the AI output, improve clarity, add human touch, make it better than average. This turns AI work into professional work, and it keeps your income halal because real effort is involved, real value is delivered, no deception exists. Step 6. Scale your AI freelancing. Once you get clients, increase your prices, offer premium packages, work with bigger clients, build monthly retainers. You can also combine multiple services, script plus editing, content plus design, writing plus marketing. This increases your income fast. AI helps you work faster so you can handle more clients. What to avoid in AI freelancing? If you want barakah in your income, avoid plagiarizing content, copying paid materials, fake testimonials, deceptive marketing. low-effort copy-paste work. Why? Because deception is haram, theft is haram, unjust earnings remove barakah, halal business requires honesty and quality. The real opportunity. AI freelancing is one of the biggest opportunities in 2026. You don't need money to start. You need a skill, a laptop, consistency, halal intention, and always remember, you can earn serious money online without compromising your deen. AI is just a tool. Your ethics decide whether the income is halal or haram. If you want to start AI freelancing the halal way, start today. Pick one service, practice, take action. Subscribe to this channel for more videos on halal online income, ethical AI tools, freelancing strategies, Islamic finance principles. Comment below, halal AI freelancer, and tell me which service you want to start with. See you in the next video, where we build halal income step by step, without riba, without scams, and with barakah.